Hi. So we can't live for 3 months.
Because there was a kid that called us old men, so we think he did something. So if you're out there, so yeah, I can't live stream for 90 days. So
we're
now
just
we're
playing
gonna have
with
to
slime
record.
since we made it in our live stream.
But the live stream can't upload. So we're gonna have to record now for a while. 90 days.
That's 3 months. Wow.
Yeah, because there's 30 days. There's like 30-ish days.
Yeah.
I can't believe that kid would do that. So I feel like I should look who's watching this, but I forgot. No one is. So basically, I can't live stream for 90 days. So they give me a live stream.
So look at my slime. It's awesome. It's a fluffy cloud.
I need more lotion. Beep beep.
Whoa, hers is really, really stiff. Feel mine. Mine feels amazing.
Why is yours not stiff? Okay, it's loose. But no, it's not.
Chloe,
That
that's
was a lot.
so
That
much.
lotion comes out real fast.
This lotion smells so good.
And it was $3.
Move your leg.
Guys,
I don't want none.
I don't want all of it. I still want it to be like a cloud.
I don't want none.
Oh, good. Yeah,
She
so
ruined mine.
I didn't ruin it.
Move your leg.
Where else is supposed to go like this? Stop.
Yeah.
Mine does this. It's not bad.
Move. They can't see my slime.
Yes, they can. They can see it fine.
There. I want to see me playing with it and you.
No, they can't see my face. Stop it.
You have no.
I want them to see my face. Oh, they can still see you.
Chloe, move your. Do what I'm doing.
I'm not doing that. I'm uncomfortable.
Should I make sunset?
I'm gonna do it.
I look white.
I'm gonna do sunset. So I'm gonna make some sunset slime. So I'm gonna do yellow, orange, and I got pink. And like red. So yeah, so don't be expecting any live streams for a while. So look, YouTube, how do we get copyrighted? Does anyone know what copyrighted means? Because I don't.
Comment down below.
Yeah, comment down below if you know what copyright means. Like, why would they do that? Like, all I know is you get copyrighted if there's music playing. And we had no music playing. We had the washer. Can you get copyrighted for a washer?
Wait, I gotta do the satisfying thing. So I gotta see my slime. Not me.
Satisfying. Whoa, whoa! I need some time.
Oh, that didn't work out right.
Oh, jeez, jeez. I'm thankful I can still post YouTube videos.
Oh my god. I want this video. It won't work.
Look at mine. It's
She's
yellow.
making sunset.
I'm gonna do yellow, orange, and red. For now, sunset color. Here's my yellow. Looks like an egg yolk. So now, I need yellow. Oh Jesus! She's done a lot.
Oh my god.
I'm bleeding! Help me! It's mixing. It's turning into orange. Good thing.
It's gonna be way more red than orange.
I think you're right. It's a... I'm bleeding!
See? It's not orange.
Is a little bit more yellow.
I'm more yellow.
This just looks like a really dark yellow.
Wait, guys.
Why am I saying that? Man, that's fun.
So we got a big annoying washer next to us.
Maybe that's what we got copyrighted for. It's a big annoying washer. I think they messed this color up. So I need a lot more yellow.
So here is this orange, this alpha yellow.
I like the yellow. Food down the floor. Food down the floor. I repeat, food down the floor. Well, I think this is about as orange as it's gonna get. So, yeah. So, I'm at 30 subscribers, and I was at 20, like, not that long ago. So, I think, do anyone want to subscribe? I still
You know
can't
what?
believe
I
that.
don't care. Give me.
You doing it? I'm savage.
I'm doing something prettier.
I need red.
Karma. I didn't want it like that, so I'm going to take 4 and spread it like that. Hey. Give me red.
Uh-oh. And I'm trying to be pink. But I'm so confused. Well, I was going for a pink. But as you can tell, it's really cool. I mean, I guess this is kind of a pink. It's pink.
Yeah.
There's more red on the floor. It's going to show a certain thing. Maybe if I add, I need to clean up the bowl. Okay. So maybe the dog's white will clean the bowl. And then it'll turn back to Rippy. So yeah, that's all pretty much wrapping. Copyrighted reason. Yeah, great. What the heck? Those colors look very nice. That's pretty.
I know.
I just
This
said
is really pretty. Like, ready?
What happened if I stepped on it? My foot got covered in big dye.
Yeah, like my hands.
That's like a big
I get it now.
Oh my lord. Well, at least you just didn't add lotion.
Put a charger on it. It'll last some time. OMG.
Oh, Jeepers Creepers. Okay, I'm ready. I'm at glitter.
Move your foot.
Jesus Christ. Okay, so I need orange. Is it weird that I can pop my hip?
What?
Is it weird that I can pop my hip?
Mine's really, really pretty.
I think the other glitters are crop sisters.
And I trust. So I'm going to do that same exact thing again, but in different order. And I'm gonna see what happens.
Glitter.
Stop.
Oh, time in her. Oh yeah.
She got time in my
I got
hair.
Yeah, Amy had to cut it. Like literally, just took scissors and like tick. Glitter, 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 glitter. Melanie, trivia time. Go. Who's your favorite YouTuber?
Don't have one.
Yeah, she just watches anything else industry. I have a song stuck in my head. It's like, yeah, so I haven't been posting.
Oh.
Yeah, I have TikTok now, and I've been like making a lot. So I have like every.
We will leave her TikTok name in the description down
So
below.
if you have the app, you can follow me.
Oh my god.
That's way too much red.
I didn't mean for that much.
Melanie, you're wasting all my food, guys.
No, I'm not.
Yes, you are. That was full. Those little things were full.
Don't believe yours. Move.
Mine aren't that vibrant.
I'm gonna show my slime so pretty.
fans are still getting ordered. So, I don't know when they're getting ordered.
Where the heck is this coming from?
I don't know.
Guys, what's that?
She's succeeded. She's done a cleaning machine. Okay, I need to make this. Maybe that's why I got copyrighted. I was singing. Dude, now I'm gonna get copyrighted again. Yeah.
We don't have the beard. Ow.
Stop, I don't want to get copyrighted. I'm not my YouTube channel anymore.
We're not gonna get copyrighted.
Yeah.
We
I already got copyrighted.
Shut
Shut it. I already got copyrighted. I don't want to get copyrighted again.
We don't have to be all the
More shaving cream. You're done, you're done, you're done. Goodbye.
I love mixing shaving cream and the slime. It's about the satisfying.
Shut it!
You're not going to be copyrighted. It only happens to lives.
No, what happens to YouTube channel?
No, it doesn't.
It does.
No, it doesn't.
It does. So take down your YouTube channel. You don't have one. You already have one. It's called James Edwards. Go subscribe unless she doesn't post anymore. So tell them why you don't post anymore.
I'm not signed in to YouTube.
Yes, you are.
I'm not.
Yes, you are.
I can watch YouTube, but I can't like any videos. I can't subscribe.
Well, then log back in.
I don't want to.
Why? In like last year in third grade, having a YouTube channel was like the bomb. Like everyone had one. Okay, show them me. Or show them just me mixing it. Don't! I'm gonna see if I can do this slow.
Oh my god. No.
Just watch it. This is like a this is like a this looks like this is what it looks like. Like oh man, I call it popsicle. Like a summer in popsicle. This is what I do.
Okay, that's
Oh my god, learn how to put it back in. So we're at 12 minutes, so we're probably about to stop it after after we finish mixing them. Because of course, when you make YouTube videos, there's a certain time limit. It's like, literally.
Why do you think you said?
Because it's so big.
Oh.
That's what I thought. You. Okay, click test.
Mine's way prettier.
It's just my fate. Okay, mine's about to turn the shade of yours. Excited.
Mine's gonna win on the bubble.
Okay, mine's gonna run out of cookie.
No, they are not.
Yes, it is.
Do I hear mine?
20%. Yeah, buddy.
Ready?
You finish mixing? Finish mixing this. Mine's gonna be really rippy, and then I'm going to add really a lot of lotion. So, yeah, now they look the same. Actually, no, they don't. They don't. This is really, really, really good. This is like a carrot. This is like a carrot.
I love carrots.
Carrots are really good. Especially carrots and ranch.
Yeah, that's the best.
I had that at school the other day, and then I also had snap peas, and I've never had snap peas before, and they were disgusting. They're like sweet. Not what I expected. Hey, dance. What? I didn't what?
Stop.
Squished it.
You ruined my thing.
Okay, now bubble. Tony, you're not supposed to use the foaming stuff.
Why? Why are you using it? I don't even have it.
So you choose it, then my mom yelled at me.
For what?
Using it.
Oh yeah, bubble test.
I already did my bubble test. It was
That
pretty
sucks.
hard.
I would move your knee if I were you.
Oh, bubble evidence! I made a bubble. Oh, I won! Oh,
I'm redoing that.
Oh, I won! Oh,
I'm redoing that.
I won.
Oh, well,
My
I
time's the best.
No, it's not.
Tied.
Ah!
That was definitely tied, though. They were like pretty much the same.
Yeah,
that was
this
trying
is
to
the
say
real
tie.
deal. Why is it?
No, wait, I'm not ready. I messed up. Ready? I messed up. Oh, I won! I got the bubble! You just don't want to admit that you lost. Fun fact about Moni, she can never lose anything.
What? I have hair in mine. That's what's messing me up.
Well, then how can you make a humongous bubble earlier?
Because there wasn't hair in it. Move your knee, or I'm gonna get slime on it.
I don't care. I've had these pants for about 2 years.
Mine definitely will win on the slime swirl.
So, I already did this one.
Let me see.
Okay, so, we're about to end it, but comment down below whose slime you think was better. And comment down below if you know what copyrighted means.
Mine.
So much.
Yours
Mine
is
so much.
what the heck?
Mine went so much.
Mine won on the clicking test and the swirl.
Mine went on the bubble and the cookie.
No, you didn't.
I say it was a tie in the bubble though. 'Cause you made one and they were like pretty much the
Give me a motion.
Mine's still kind of a B, but only if you like stitch it really fast. Okay. Jesus woman.
Okay. Jesus.
Jesus. I'm hungry. Me too. So thank you for watching. Make sure you like, subscribe, and share, hit the bell so you know when I post new videos. Bye! And comment down below if you know what copyrighted means. Bye!